Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting short story of O. Henry. You must have heard the name of O. Henry. He is a famous American short story writer and novelist. And the name of the story which we are going to discuss today is The Gift of the Magi. And O. Henry is an American writer. His real name was William Sidney Porter. Uh, O. Henry was his pseudonym. He was known as O. Henry. He had a disturbed career before taking writing his profession. And there is one thing more interesting about his career is that he spent a term of imprisonment. He was imprisonment for some time. He spent in prison, and therefore he was unable to get an honorable job. O. Henry is one of the most outstanding short story writer of America. The different experience of life provided him the knowledge of rare characters. In his writings, he has portrayed some rare characters, and which is due to his practical experience of life. Of rare characters, he has portrayed varied, different characters such as burglars, drug victims, and policemen, and authors, etc. So, different variety of characters he has portrayed in his writings. In short, he has presented man and woman for all walks of life. There is a super sense of dramatic narration in his stories. It is intermixed with humor and pathos. There is an unexpected twist at the end of the stories. His stories end unexpectedly. There is a twist, there is a change of role, there is a change of destiny in his stories. So that is the most striking element of his writing. Now let's come to the story, The Gift of the Magi. It is one of the most popular and moving stories of O. Henry. It is a story that shows that any gift which is based on love, however unwisely given or received, is the greatest and the wisest gift. What does it mean that any gift which is based on love, which is given unwisely or given or received, is the greatest and the wisest. In his story, with its all pervasive irony, a poor but devoted couple, Jim and Della. There are two characters. Which are husband and wife. The husband name is Jim and the wife name is Della. They part of their best treasure to purchase Christmas gifts for each other. Della sells her lovely brown hair to buy a fob chain for his husband gold watch, and Jim sold his invaluable gold watch to present his wife an expensive tortoise shells combs for her hair because she has beautiful long hairs. So both of them sacrificed their treasure. The Jim sold his gold watch in order to purchase the comb of shells made of tortoise, and the Della sold her hair to buy a fob chain, a chain which is attached to the gold watch for her husband. Therefore, this is the most the experience which is based on love is exchanged by husband and wife. The Magi were three wise men from the east who brought present gifts for Christ, for Jesus Christ at his birth. In this way, they invented the art of giving Christmas presents. So, how this custom or tradition developed of giving or exchanging gifts on the Christmas, it is based on the Magi, the three wise men which are called Magi, who came from the east. Their gifts were no doubt wise, but in this story, the Magi who brought the gift for the Christ, it was valuable. But the gifts that were presented by these couple to each other is the most wise one. And they sacrificed for each other their best treasure, the best thing which they sacrificed for each other. In this way, they have established a tradition that all people who give and receive gifts, they are the wisest. In other words, they are the Magi of the present time. The writer connects the Magi tradition of exchanging gifts to the present couple, Jim and Della, who also sacrificed, although very foolishly, they sacrificed their valuable treasure for each other. But the love which is given, the gift which is given by love, although it is given unwisely or received, it is the wisest. The story presents an outstanding gesture. Now, what is the gesture? Gesture means the goodwill gesture, which is very uncommon in the modern competitive world. The gesture of giving to each other. The couple sacrifice their most precious things for each other. It shows complete devotion and love to each other. In the modern world, such kind of gesture or an action is quite uncommon. Therefore, the story gives a strong moral lesson to the forthcoming generation. The contemporary society is shattered with selfish inspiration. They are alienated with each other. They are separated from each other. There is a cutthroat competition among them. There is also a rivalry between husband and wife and other relations also. They look at each other with an alien territory to be conquered. Therefore, in this environment, the story presents an outstanding gesture of love and sacrifice. In this way, we can say that this story is give a very strong moral lesson to all the modern people that the gift which is exchanged by love, they are the greatest and that are the greatest treasure. So I hope that you will enjoy the story, and this story is also available in a film. You can see on www.britannica. On that website, you can also see the film of this story, and I suggest you that whenever you get time, so you must see the film. But before seeing the film, viewing the film, you listen my lecture and also read the PDF notes which I have sent to you. So I hope that you will enjoy it much better. Thank you.